गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक्सरसाइज 1.2 ऑफ क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स। प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव मेड अपॉन द introduction of this chapter on HCF and LCF and fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and today's video on the exercise 1.2. So let's start with the first question. Express each number as a product of prime factors. बहुत ही easy exercise है. The first question is express each number as a product of prime factors. Okay, let's start with the first question. 140. We have already done this type of question in previous classes. It is just simple to make in the prime factorization. So 140 simple at 270, 235, 5771. 140 is a composite number. We can simply write 140 as a product of prime 2 into 2, 5 into 7. That is 2 square, 5 into 7. 2 का square 5 multiplied by 7. It is simply a product of primes. Okay. Next, move on to the next question. This one is just an easy part. Second is 3825. 3825. Okay. 3825 is ending with the 5. So first we divide it with we can divide it with both the numbers 3 and 5. Let's divide it with 3. When we divide it with 3, we get 1275. Now again divide it with 3. Dividing it with 3, we get 425. Divide it with 5. 5 we divided with 5, we get 85. And next dividing it with again 5, and we get here is 17, and then 17 1. So what is the answer? 3825 equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. That is 3 square 5 square into 17. So we express it as a product of primes. So let's move on to. Okay, here is the two parts of the first question. Express each as a product of prime. There are three more questions that are very easy, and there is some the last question 7429. It is little a tricky one. 7429 because it is difficult to solve it. 7429. 7429, just remember this type of question if it comes in the exam, because the first prime number which divides 7429, it is 17. Before 17 it is not divisible by any of the prime numbers. So on dividing with 17 we get 437. 437 is another number which is divided with 19 only, the prime number 19. The smallest prime number dividing the 437 is 19, and we divide with 19 we get 23, and 23 1. So 7429 can be expressed as 17, 19 and 23 simply. Okay, next move on to the next part, question number. Okay, here we continue with the second part of exercise 1.2, that is find LCM and HCF and verify LCM multiplied by HCF equal to product of 2 prime. This property I have discussed in my previous video, that the product of two numbers equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So the first question is 26 and 91. First we make the prime factor of 26 and 91. Here it is plus divided with 2. So it's 13 and 13 1, and then 91. 91 is 7 into 13 and 13 into 1. So what are the prime factors of 26? 2 into 13, and that of 91 is equal to 17 multiplied by 13. So what is the HCF? I have told you about the HCF and LCM. HCF is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor. If you don't know about that, then go with my previous video where I discussed about the HCF and LCM. So here the only common factor is 13. The HCF is 13 and LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13. I have already done this multiplication. The answer is 182. So we have to verify this rule. What we do, LCM multiply by HCF. What will be the answer when 13 multiplied by 182? When we multiply 13 with 182, the answer is 2366. And second, the product of two numbers. What will be the answer when we multiply 26 by 91? The answer is 26 multiplied by 91 is again 2366. So therefore the property is verified by this rule. Next, move on to the next question. I will do the two parts out of the three. Let's start with the other question. 510 and 92. 510. First we divide it with 2. We get 255. 255 2s are 510, then divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, that is 51. Then with 3 into 17, and then with 17 into 1, because 17 is a prime number also. And the 92 2 into 46, and then with the 2 again 2 into 23, and 23 is a prime number, so 23 into 1. So what is the prime factorization of 510? 2 into 5 into 3 into 17, and that of 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. So these are the prime factorization. We write it as the 2 square into 23, written as a product of primes. So what will be the HCF? HCF is the common factor. What is the common in this case? Only 2. The HCF is 2, and that of LCM equal to 2 square into 23 into 5 into 3 into 17. 2 square 23 into 5 into 3 into 17. That means the highest power of the common we take in this. So the answer is 2 square 23, that is 23460. Now we verify this rule, that is LCM multiplied by HCF, that is 23460 multiplied by 2, and we get the answer is 46920. The answer will be 46920. Next, move on to the product of number. The product of two numbers. Which two numbers? The given in the question, that is 510 and 92. The answer again comes out to be 46920. So the rule is verified in this case. Now next, move on to the third part. The third part is also very easy in this case. Next move on to third part of this exercise 1.2. We have in total 7 parts. The third part is 12, 15 and 21. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Again, a easy one, same as the first question. In first question we find the prime factorization of the simple single number, and in the second question with the 2, and in the third with the 3. So the 12, 15 and that is 21, 26, 23, 31, 35, 51, 37, 71. So the HCF, before HCF we write the prime factors of 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 square into 3, and 15 equal to 3 into 5, 21 equal to 3 into 7. So what will be the HCF is? HCF, the only common number is 3, that is, so the HCF will be only 3. And LCM, product of highest power of each prime factor involved, that is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 square 3 into 5 into 7, that is 40. That's it. This is the simple question. We have other two parts also. You can check in your NCERT textbook. So these are the first three questions in this video. Now I will do the next question, which are the main important question of this chapter, in my next video of exercise 1.2. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.